May bagong libro ang Filipina-Canadian author na si Catherine Hernandez. Silipin natin sa report ni Kisha Balatbat.
May bagong libro ang Filipina-Canadian author na si Catherine Hernandez. Si Hernandez ang may akda sa likod ng mga sikat na libro na Scarborough at The Story of Us. Sa bagong libro na Behind You, kinukwento niya ang karanasan ng isang Filipino film editor na bumubuo ng true crime series tungkol sa mga kilalang serial killers.
At the last episode of the first season, she's tasked to edit an episode that is about this fictional serial killer by the name of Scarborough Stalker. And when she starts to edit this episode, she starts to have these flashbacks to when she remembers that Scarborough Stalker was actually in her neighborhood, had no idea that he was there, and the legacy of harm that it created over generations of people, mainly women and girls, who he was attacking in Scarborough in the 1980s and 90s.
Sinimulan ni Hernandez ang libro noong pandemya. Malapit sa kanya ang kwentong ito dahil lumaki siya sa lugar sa panahon ng Scarborough Rapists noong 1980s. Sa pamamagitan ng libro, layo niyang labanan ng mga karaniwang pag-uugali pagdating sa krimen at rape culture.
What I wanted to do was to really challenge the way that true crime really focuses on perpetrators, about their history, about their personality, and rather than focusing on the people who have survived and not survived, the people who have been lost and found. And so the book really focuses on what it means to be a survivor, what it means to really look at our behavior as a society, and how we have allowed history to repeat itself again and again.
Isang bagay na aniya, nakikita din sa ating komunidad.
The ways in which a lot of times women in our community are taught to serve the family, to put their needs last, and to not be true to what's really going on in our bodies, to say no when we want to say no.
Bukas si Hernandez na gawing pelikula ang Behind You. Nakuha na ng Conquering Lion Pictures ang film at television rights nito kamakailan at tinatrabaho na ni Hernandez ang pagsulat ng script.
I did write the last draft of the book and the first draft of the script simultaneously, and it was really wonderful to tell the same story using two different mediums, and knowing that it means that another group of Filipinos can actually watch this in another medium is really exciting for me.
Lumabas ang Behind You ngayong Martes. Sa mga interesadong magbasa ng libro, hinihikayat ni Hernandez na bisitahin ang inyong local bookstore. Kisha Balatbat, Omni News, Toronto.